Balloon car race. Potential energy is your balloon inflated. Kinetic energy is when you release the air from your balloon and your car propels forward. Design your car with a partner or by yourself. Consider the factors of wheel size, axle placement, body shape. Test your car by inflating the balloon and releasing it. Measure the distance. Make any modifications for improvements. Set up a racetrack. Use tape on the floor. How did the potential energy from the inflated balloon transfer to the kinetic energy? What worked well in your design? How did you optimize your car?